There's an inbuilt battery here that needs to be charged. So that's what I'm doing now. I need to charge the inbuilt battery that will power the electronics here. So while that is going on, I will need to fuel it. This engine uses a special fuel. Although it's a locally made fuel, I have to prepare that myself. See my filling station? You got it. So it's time to fuel. I don't have problem with fuel scarcity. I don't have problem with 86 per 50 kobo liter. So all the principles and theories of flight, as applied to the full size, are also applied here. So I'll be talking about that later. So you see the aileron. All these are control surfaces. You see all these ones that are moving. Yeah, this one is, to direct the plane on the roll axis, to stabilize the wings. It's called the roll axis. Then you see the horizontal control surface on the tail. Yeah, it's called the elevator. It's used to control the plane on the pitch axis. That is, if you want it to climb or dive. Yeah, that's the elevator. Then you see another vertical one moving left, right there. It's called the rudder. You see that? It works like your normal steering in a car, to steer the aircraft left or right.
But takeoff and landing were seamless and fast.
All right. Pride of the green, cleared for takeoff. Let's go. Let me show you something about maneuverability.